Well, hello everybody and welcome. It is summertime once again, so that means I get to take my kayak out of storage. And this year I found a small waterproof camera and I'm going to attach that on here, so hopefully we can get some slightly better imagery while I'm paddling around the various lakes and streams here in beautiful British Columbia. For those of you who are familiar with the JT Bear channel, you may have seen this camera at work in my fish tank. Seems to do a pretty good job, but it doesn't pick up sound for beans. So I'm going to have to figure out something else as far as talking to the camera. But I'm going to mount this pretty much there using the helmet mount. Let's check it out. So this little Vivitar camera came with this little helmet mount, which I gotta say, I tried it on my helmet and I feel like a dork. It won't fit on my straw hat, so obviously it's just not going to work. But I'm just going to pull out little bits of Velcro here and it'll be ready to go. Okay, so I've got the Velcro off and it's separated into its two pieces. This just kind of slides in. Here, let me get a better angle on that. This bottom clip piece here just kind of slides in and clicks into place there. So I'm going to keep this off while I'm mounting it on the kayak itself. Easy peasy. Got a bunch of little screws from some old project here. I'm hoping these are big enough. I don't want screws that are too long in there because I don't want to cut myself up while I'm out boating. But if I have to, I can always put nuts and bolts in. We'll see. Alright, I'm going to grab the power drill and we can get started. Alright, so I'm pretty much just going to mount this right on the bracket right there. Here's to hope. Nice snug fit. Alright, well I can see right away that I'm still going to want to remount that. But it seems good and sturdy. Let's try attaching the base. That'll stay in place fairly well. And it's got a nice little clip on it, so I can just clip it off when I want the camera for something else. I guess all that's left now is to test it on the water. Let's do that next. Here we are, off to test the camera in the lake on the kayak. From this point on, what you see will be what the waterproof sees, so you're probably not going to hear much, but with any luck it'll be some nice scenery. Let's go.